Kia ora koutou, ko Mike Bridgman tuku ingoa. I'm one of the collaborating artists with Te Matahiapo collective here in Sharjah for the Biennial. I think our work embodies space and carries the universal idea of how people inhabit space. And one of the interesting things about coming here to the site and the history that the site has and what we're bringing and what it carries, there's this universal idea where things come together, where there's a different context of what we're carrying and what other people are carrying that get to experience this work. So hoping that people will get a sneak peek into those universal themes that we'll be sharing with our work.
Sharjah is an amazing place, and in particular, the adaptive reuse of the ice factory and its transformation into a gallery is really extraordinary. The location, the way that the architecture has been adjusted to suit the site and its new form as a gallery, its history, from industry through into art. It's an amazing site.
My first ideas about creating work here in the Kalba Ice Factory were about the fact that we are strangers coming over here, and very much we are what you would call waiwai tapu, which means sacred feet. Our work here in Kalba is a spatial installation which is based on the courtyard, the sacred courtyard, or the marae atia, which is the space when a stranger first enters onto the marae courtyard. The one we have here is the same size as the marae courtyard where we frequently perform the process of the pōiri, and my role on that is the rio pōiri, or the calling of the strangers through the sacred gateways into the courtyard.
With our work being a immersive light, sound and space environment, really in relationship to site, yes, it occupies the interior of the ice factory, occupies a space, but the threshold or the journey before you arrive is almost just as important. In order to get here, you're traveling across the desert in a very kind of open landscape with a big sky, and you arrive here, and then our work is transformation or a journey into another world. So the two different kind of conditions that exist between this kind of the vastness of the landscape and then entering an immersive environment are really, really important. And we thought carefully about these things when we're conceiving the work for this particular site.
This work is an iteration of a few works that I personally worked with Te Matahiapo with. I think this might be my third or fourth collaboration with Kura and Stu. One of the overarching themes that we've been able to carry across all of the works is about our connection through frequency and vibration. This one takes a little deviation in terms of how we're connecting to this space and how we've brought these themes that transcend different cultures, where we're also bringing in our very unique Aotearoa flavour as well. In the lead up to the exhibition, we've been trying just to finalise that last percentage of production, just to fine-tune things. All the staff and personnel for the Sharjah Arts Foundation have been really amazing, the hospitality. So it's made it really easy to really just focus and make sure we're happy with the work. So in the next few days, we'll be looking at walking away very happy and looking forward to our audiences coming to see the work and sharing what we've done.